Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best drone under 200. Here are the top 3 drone under 200 yacht we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Ryze Tech Tello Mini Drone. Easy shots allow beginners to shot pro-level videos and directly share them on social media platforms by a smartphone. The camera on the drone capture images at 5MP, 2592x1936, and videos at HD 720. It has dual antennas that offer stable video making. Overall, its assembly is simple and does not take much time and effort. The high-capacity battery offers long flight times to the user. It is small in size and lightweight, making it convenient to store and carry from one place to another. At number 2. Walkera Rodeo 110 Drone. It comes equipped with a 600 TVL HD wide-angle camera that captures images and videos in crisp quality. A single key switch/button allows image transmission modes from real-time image transmission to support image transmission. The high-efficiency power system and high-performance lithium polymer battery enables it to fly for an extended period. It is significantly small in size and convenient to carry from one place to another. The incredible acceleration rate of the drone makes it best to be used for drone racing games. At number 1. UDI RC 818A HD Drone. It is equipped with a full 720p HD camera that can record videos and capture images with 1280x720 resolution at 30 frames per second. One key return home button allows the user to bring back the drone if it gets out of sight. A micro SD card on the drone helps in recording videos and capturing images in bulk quantity. The drone runs on 2 powerful lithium batteries that enable it to function for longer hours. Headless mode allows the user to navigate the drone without worrying about the orientation of the quad. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.